Hello everybody, so this time we have a new video again. As you can see, I have an echeveria and then it looks like gonna die. The reason why it looks like this, I overwatered them. As you can see, this is how you can figure out when your plants or echeveria has been overwatered. So look, turns like yellow or brownish, something like that. So this is what it looked like when your succulents has been overwatered. So what I'm gonna do with these plants is I'm going to repot. So I already repot my overwatered succulent. So what I'm going to do this one is I'm just going to put in a little bit shady area, and I won't water them for at least a week or until the soil will be very dry. Actually this one is taking off again. So I'm just gonna put them in a side.